Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. Now, the sun is shining. It is a beautiful, beautiful evening, and we are here at the Herts track. Now, I'm standing currently on the 1/8 track, and we are going to be coming back here very soon to run our 1/8 buggies on this track. However, tonight is club night on the 10th track. Now, I have got with me my LD3. It hasn't been run since I was here last year, so I'm a little bit rusty. I have also bought my Cougar, but more interestingly, Pro Racer Mark, I've been to the pits and I've noticed he's been doing a bit of bending. Okay, so I've literally just been watching this Cougar go round and it looks absolutely amazing. Let's have a look at this Cougar of yours. It looks so planted.
There you go. Standard, mate. Standard.
Pretty much out of the box Cougar. That you've not changed anything on there, have you?
It's not standard, is it? I have added a few bits to it.
What do you call these things? What are they?
Shock absorbers, mate. Shock absorbers. Yeah. It is.
I don't want to bore you.
That's a bit wobbly there. Look, I've got to fix that. It's a bit wobbly there, but I'll do that. Got a wobbly. Wobbly. But yeah, that's good. I've only taken it out once, but this is what I'm racing today. But look at this. Have you seen this? I've got a new radio.
Is that where our money went? Is it?
Well, nah.
Oh, it went on your upgrades.
But can I just say something? I've made a decision, mate. I want to get good at this now, so I'm gonna do as many off-road meetings as I can because I want to get better at this. Because it ain't good enough.
I'm going to agree with you on one thing. You're definitely not good enough. But
correct.
You have got an A final radio now.
Yeah.
You've got an A final car now.
Yeah. Well, I've not set it up, have I?
You've got an A final charger.
Yeah.
So you've got to make the A final
No,
every single time you
don't
race.
work like that because it takes you a bit of time. Yeah, you can't just get the stuff and come here and do well. You have to, like I say, this for me is like it's like day one almost. I've reset myself. Yeah?
You haven't reset yourself, boss. Who did you say set up this car for you on the drive up here?
I had a couple of people look over the car, but forget that. I'll see how well I can do, but I want to get better, and today is day one.
So what are you running anyway? Let's have a little look inside this.
So we've got
car, shall we?
We've got our lovely Orca bits here, 6.5 turn, Orca OE1 Mark II, I think that one is there. We've got a Power HD servo, Blue Con unit in there. It is a lovely, lovely car to drive. In all fairness, it's a better car than I am
brand
driving.
New tyres today, is it?
Yeah, they're brand new tyres.
Brand new tyres.
Yeah. Well, you've got to give yourself a little bit of a chance, ain't you?
So you've got brand new tyres,
Yeah.
brand new radio,
Yeah.
pretty new car, really.
Yeah.
No excuses, boss. No excuses. So Mark is up there, coming round, up and down. He's looking quite nippy. He's overshooting all the turns though, missing the jumps. He might have the best car, the best radio, but he definitely is not, especially at this club, the best driver. He's just starting out on his journey. Pro Racer Mark, we call him now. He wants to be a pro racer. He wants to be a winner. Again, 2 laps on the trot. Let's go with consistent. He's definitely consistent because he's come off that jump the same place twice now. If he wants to do well today, he's going to have to up his game. And I think he stuffed it. Unbelievable. Walking back over. Needed to marshal his own car again. You're supposed to be driving on the track, not walking on it, boss. Now, me, however, over here, actually, this isn't the car I'm running. This is my, look at these beautiful shocks. Look at them, lovely, jubbly. But you're not interested in my beautiful Cougar. Let's take a look at the car I'm running today. I'm actually running my LD3 Schumacher Orca. Now these tyres, you going out again?
No, not yet.
Anyway, these tyres are actually quite old, but do you know what? I'm here to have a laugh. I'm not here to win anything. However, they have got a summer series coming up, which I want to get involved with. So, bit of a practice night for me. Having fun. Still got the old radio, running the old car. Let's go have some fun.
Okay, so this is the first qualifier there. Going well, actually. Going well. Sorry about the flickering. Oh, that's better. So he's learnt his lines in practice, and now he's kind of just, you know, Carl, slow and steady and all that. And to be fair, it's actually paying off. That's looking quite good. I think he's going to be quite happy with this. Nice. He's just, I mean, really, half the battle is just getting around without crashing, if I can be totally honest. But what a night here. Absolutely well chilled, well nice, thoroughly enjoyable here at Herts. I'll just follow him around here, and then we'll go and see then we'll have a chat with him, see how he thinks he's done. Oh, nice. He'll be happy with this, I think. Just chilled, taking his time. Staying on your wheels is, of course, the most important thing. Let's see how he did. How'd you get on? That looks
I don't think I didn't come last, I don't think.
That looks so smooth.
I made a couple of mistakes at the end. I think fatigue kicked in a little bit. I should have bought some Scotch eggs, boss. But do you know what? The car was going around nice.
Mate,
I was doing slow as fast.
It looked good. It looked super smooth.
Did you see the lines? Because you need to hit some of those lines.
Yeah, I'll try.
You'll try.
So I took the Cougar Classic out for its kind of maiden voyage on Astro, and it really didn't disappoint. I didn't really do much setup on it. I only ran it a couple of times just to give it a little bit of a shakedown. Obviously, I've got some pop-ups on it, but I'm thoroughly looking forward to racing this this summer. Hopefully back at this track for the summer series.
Oh, guess what, boss?
What?
The heat listings are out. We have got 4 heats tonight, and they've put me in on pole in heat number 2. And because you're a pro driver, you've got your A final radio, and you've got your A final car. They must have heard it.
You're just trying to put the pressure on me, so I'll cock it up now.
They've put you in the A heat. You're in the top
well, I'll
heat.
be pulling over a bit.
You're in the top heat with your top car and your top radio and your top driver attitude.
What is wrong with you tonight? Have you not had dinner?
I haven't had dinner. I haven't eaten since 12 o'clock, and it's
you've got to
currently
start eating dinner.
about 8 o'clock, so
Well,
I need some food.
I'm looking forward to it. I will probably be pulling over a little bit there. When I say a little bit.
Anyway, do you know what? I've got to interrupt you. You need to go marshal because you're in the top heat, so you need to go marshal.
I will.
Top heat. No, you need a high vis, not a hoodie.
Yeah, I know that.
So Mark, as I say, he is in the top heat of qualifying. I'll listen out for his name when the old announcer announces it. See where he's sitting at the moment. But he's starting to pick up. Still going a bit deep. Oh, he's lost the back end there. I did tell him, slow is fast through that section. He just loves to go fast, though, does Mark. Here he comes again. He's definitely travelling a lot quicker than I am, pushing through this section. He's gone high, he's gone low. There is an almost straight line through there if you get it paced right. That's better. He's warming up.
1 minute to the start of the race.
Are you on pole, Oscar?
Yeah,
How did you get on at the Nationals at the weekend?
good.
Good.
Won the B final.
Won the B final. Pole the A final at the club night. Let's see how we do.
So the A final, Oscar Keane on pole here, very accomplished young driver here, showing a lot of us oldies up and how to do it. But he's really putting a masterclass in on how to best get around this track. Obviously, he said there he was first in the B final of the National, which was recently held at this very track. There he is, concentrating So if you keep an eye, like just straight, smooth lines, really wide there along that straight, which I actually wasn't doing. So having watching some of his lines, I might take a few tips from this. But obviously the main thing when you come to a track like this is to keep your car on your wheels. You're going to go nowhere fast if it is upside down. Obviously asking people how to best get around a track helps. There we are, sorry, the pretty much the finishing results there. Well done, cracking night over at Herts. We will be back.